Hello, Burlington Public Schools. Michelle Artizzoni here, Digital Learning Coach, and I'm happy that you're watching to learn more about the iPad accessibility feature of Zoom. To access this feature, go into your Settings app. On the left-hand side, scroll down to the Accessibility setting. On the right-hand side, Zoom is the second option. Please tap on it, and then the very first choice will toggle on the Zoom feature. Once on, you can drag the small square that pops up by using the small oval at the bottom of the square, and you can see it will enlarge any static or still text that you can see on your iPad screen. The student can drag this box to any text on their iPad screen. When you are ready to turn it off, go up to the top of the screen and toggle it off. The settings for how strong the zoom will be, you can see is the sliding scale at the bottom of the screen, going up to a maximum of 15 times zoom. Thank you for listening and learning more about the Zoom feature on the student iPad.